where creativity, technology, curiosity, and Lego collide. We'll start out with some stop motion because it's so much fun to do and you can learn a lot doing it. And it's not that hard to get better at it. In fact, it's easier than you think. And making better stop motions is super fun. And I'll take a look at all of the different softwares and apps that you might use to do that. And we'll do tutorials and reviews. Because learning doesn't have to be hard. And it can be fun with Lego. And let's not forget all the different ways you can add music, sounds, and audio. We'll take a look at that too. And yes, you can do this effect. It's not as hard as it looks. And why not add a little bit of photography with a twist? That's right, some black and white photography. Nothing wrong with a twist here and there, and you'll go behind the scenes with me and see all the different techniques you can use. And questions, ideas, and comments are always welcome, but trolls not so much. Let's get into the brick of it.